judge, and we really can't discuss issues in this race. So I want you to tell all of you a little about myself, because really when it comes down to making a decision to vote, I want you to know a little about me. I came from a family with not a lot of money, and as a result of that, I had to work hard in school. With the aid of an Air Force ROTC scholarship, I was fortunate enough to attend the University of Notre Dame. While there, I majored in accounting, and I graduated with honors in accounting. But that's only part of my story, because I'm going to tell you, when I was like 5 years old, my dad took me to a Notre Dame football game. I wanted to play for the Irish, and I'm going to let you see me.
Rudy. Yeah.
Well, they said I was too small to play. I made the team. And I made the team through sheer will and determination. As I told you, I didn't have, a lot. So, but I was able to play for the Irish. I dressed. I was a walk-on. With the ROTC scholarship, I had a commitment to go into the Air Force. But I received an educational delay. That was a delay so I could attend law school. I went to Albany Law School in New York, and I graduated in the top 4% of my class, and I received several academic honors when I was there. Upon graduation, then the military had me, and I became what's called a judge advocate. And I'm currently a colonel in the United States Air Force Reserve. I am still a judge advocate. I'm still serving the country. After I graduated law school, I was assigned to a base in California where I did lots of courts-martial. And I served about 6 years, active duty. In the past, latter few of those years, I traveled the country practicing in federal court, doing courts-martial cases. But I'm not sure if you're familiar what a judge advocate does, because it's more than what you see on TV. A judge advocate, they don't fly, but what they do is they practice in all facets of the law. We do labor, we do family, we do environmental. But I'm not sure if you're familiar what a judge advocate does, because it's more than what you see on TV. A judge advocate, they don't fly, but what they do is they practice in all facets of the law. We do labor, we do family, we do environmental. So we practice in a lot of different facets. I left active duty in about 1992. Then I proceeded to obtain a Master's of Law from New York University School of Law. They're rated #1 in the country. Notre Dame's accounting program, which I graduated from, is also rated #1 in the country, I think, now. I worked in Manhattan for a little while, and a friend invited me down to Florida. Worked in Manhattan for a little while, and a friend invited me down to Florida. And I fell in love with this community. And I've been a Meadows resident for the past almost 18 years, I think. I'm currently a prosecutor at the state attorney's office. I'm a felony division chief. And during that time, I've worked at the state attorney's office since 1996. And I've tried hundreds of jury cases. I've tried over 15 homicide trials. I tried the bus driver murder case. I tried the double homicide trial recently. I got the minute warning. I'm still serving. After 9/11, I got recalled to active duty. I came back here in 6. And I've tried hundreds of jury cases. I've tried over 15 homicide trials. I tried the bus driver murder case. I tried the double homicide trial recently. I got the minute warning. I'm still serving. After 9/11, I got recalled to active duty. I came back here in, was it 2009? Since 2009, I've been responsible for the prosecution of, I think, 8,000 felony cases here in Sarasota. We don't have a lot of time to tell you about us as people, but I wanted to tell you a little about myself as a person. So I ask that when you go to vote,